Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add friends in Counter-Strike 2. Very simple and very basic. So once you launch your Counter-Strike 2, hover on the right sidebar where you can see your socials. So you can see your friends list, your friends online, some random players looking to play, and your recent teammates. So to actually add a friend, go to the Friends tab and click the add icon here. So a menu will pop up. So here, you can send a friend request with a friend code. So to know your friend code, you can just hover over copy your code here. And you can also click it to copy your code. And then it will say copy your code to clipboard. Once that's done, you can send it to your friend and he or she can input it here and then click the send friend request. You can do it also by asking for their friend code, pasting it here, and clicking send friend request. Another way to add friends is to hover again on the right sidebar and then click looking to play. If you want to send a friend request on a specific user you want to play with, click their profile and then you can see a send friend request icon. Click that and wait for them to accept your friend request. And basically that's it. That's how you add friends in Counter-Strike 2.